Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. As you can see here we have the location tags option, so by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on. Also the device informs us that when we have this, our pictures and videos will contain information about where they were taken, so we have to be careful when we want to share them. So let's agree to this, okay? And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. So for now let me keep turned on all of these settings and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to this button. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. To check its location we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have more details and the location with map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.